Welcome to this channel. Don't forget to like, continue to share. Don't also forget to subscribe. Okpebholo received 14 Edo Assembly members denied inauguration by Obaseki. Governor Monday Okpebholo on Thursday granted audience to the 14 members of the Edo State House of Assembly who were denied inauguration into the 7th Assembly by former Governor Godwin Obaseki. The group, known as the G14, visited the governor at the Government House in Benin City. The visit was made known in a statement by Godswill Inauguration, Special Adviser to the Governor on Communication Strategy and Media Projects. During the meeting, the G14 congratulated Okpebholo on his successful inauguration as the sixth civilian governor of the state and expressed gratitude for his appointment of one of the members of the group, Honorable Gani Audu, as Chief of Staff. Governor Okpebholo acknowledged the G14's dedication and loyalty to the party and emphasized the importance of legislative representation in a democracy. He criticized the previous administration's action of denying the G14 members their rightful representation in the assembly, stating that such an act was a significant blow to democracy. The governor assured the group that his administration will protect democratic processes and prevent such actions in the future. Additionally, Okpebholo conveyed greetings from President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who appreciated the G14's loyalty to the party. Wonderful. Anyway, it seems as if this thing is a particular history in Edo State. It seems as if it's in their blood that one person immediately gets to power begin to use the power anyhow. So we can now see that Obaseki single-handedly refused to allow the inauguration of 14 legally constitutionally elected members of assembly. No wonder that Okpebholo this time around is making sure that 18 chairmen are impeached, whether the court accepts it or not, whether the court allows it or not. But now in this situation, how can he now begin to talk about illegality when he himself he met illegality on ground? He didn't quench it and is beginning to fester the fire. It ought not to be. Look at what happened to the 14 the so-called G14 legislative members that were denied inauguration. I don't know. These governors have turned themselves to feudal lords as if they are emperors that nobody can talk to them. Even the president at the presidency is trying to even manage them. Very funny. A particular governor refused to allow inauguration of legislatures, and he made sure that he used budget for that 4 years, and some tiny member of the legislature are passing the budget for him to use. How come Nigeria with a lot of illegalities? I don't know how you people think about our PR, even in the international community. Most times people who are from a very good clime will begin to laugh us because a particular governor your predecessor was running on illegality. Here you come again because you want to achieve a particular aim. You are going through illegal means. It ought not to be. Of course, Obaseki just denied these people their constitutional rights, and then all that they are supposed to have enjoyed as emoluments throughout that 4 years, he denied them. He don't allow them to enjoy it. Why? Because maybe probably he's trying to protect himself. Maybe he's thinking there will be traitors that want to move for his impeachment. Who knows? But then, whether we like it or not, there are always competitions when it comes to politics. You cannot always have your way. That's just the situation, the reality of the situation on ground. But these men that are supposed to be in the 7th assembly were denied their rights. Their expertise, their experience were denied, from being used for the state. And the governor was in power and he decided to continue to allow that impunity for 4 good years. But now he has gone, and then what he has done is still here. History is now telling us, showing us the kind of person Godwin Obaseki is, and then the situation between him and the G14. But as time goes by, he is still alive. This G14 too, they are still alive. The state government house that did not allow them to come to, here they are visiting the incumbent now, and they have been able to also give him thanks for appointing one of them to be chief of staff even to the current governor of Edo State, Monday Okpebholo. Well, that's a good visit, and Okpebholo also received them properly well. But then I think if they really want to speak the truth to Okpebholo, they have been in the situation and they know how it pains, where it pinches. They should be able to tell the governor the gospel truth of not going through an illegal means, of not denying people of their constitutional right, of not disobeying the rule of law. Because at the end of the day, history will not forgive. He will surely tell the way the story is. That's just the situation. I hope also that as they are, wishing him a successful inauguration, and then calling him, of course, as the new sixth civilian governor of Edo State, they will give good advice to him that will help him to move the state forward. Not that they will begin to clamor for how they are going to get their emoluments that were denied them for 4 good years. After all, they were not inaugurated. They should work together, hand in hand, to move Edo State forward and to make sure that they reach the state of illegality, irrespective of whose ox is God. And in this situation, they should be able to let the governor know that doing right would take the state to a right direction and a right destination. But if he decided to go through a wrong route, of course the state is bound to fall in the ditch, and at the end of the day, in 4 years time, he might not have anything to point at as what he has done for the state. And he also said he will convey their greetings to the president. I don't know what the president want to do for them, but then he spoke about their loyalty to the party. Whatever is essential, if he is appreciating people for their loyalty to their party, he should have that understanding too about the councillors and the chairmen who stood by their own candidate. They are loyal to their party too. If he could recognize and understand loyalty, then I don't see the reason why Okpebholo is now going through the direction he's going to, irrespective of the singular fact that yes, this one refuse to bring their book to him to check. They should also understand that it's not their fault to be loyal to the party. Now, I'm not saying they should steal, no, but their loyalty to their party is germane, is very very important, because it is through the platform of this party that they came into power, that they got the mandate of the people, and now that the people are giving them the mandate, it is a normal thing for them to retain their loyalty even to the party. But if the governor is against it, I don't know what the governor means, because this time around he is thanking others about their loyalty to their party. He should sit down and think, and then be able to make a right decision so that Edo State can move further and better. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe. Thank